I'm here on behalf of Embracer Style Nails. I just wanted to pop in real quick to discuss how long our nail wraps last. Nail wraps are real nail polish wraps. You just peel, stick, and file. Anyhow, I have had this set on for 1 week, an entire week. That's 7 days, and I don't even have a chip in them. I can't even say the same for liquid nail polish. I've gone to the salon and even spent $25, $35, $40, even $50 on a no chip manicure that's chipped in less than a week. These start at just $2.99. Check out the deals section. There may even be some for less. But for $3, I have a manicure that is gorgeous, that is unique, that hasn't chipped, and it's lasted me a week. So come check us out, see what we have. We have a few new styles in. I can't get this kind of design at a salon either. These are all exclusive to Embracer Style Nails. So come check us out. You'll thank me later. Bye.